This is the 2026 Toyota Camry. The kind of car that doesn't whisper refined. It announces it with a low growl and a wicked grin. Unapologetically bold, it fuses electrified performance, head-turning design, and intuitive tech that keeps pace with instinct. Camry shows that style and everyday thrills share the same lane. Pick the style: LE, XLE, SE, XSE, plus the head-turning nightshade for an unmistakable presence. Every angle of the Camry demands respect. No compromises, just pure presence. Dark grille on LE, clean, confident. Dark metallic gray on XLE, sleek and serene. Wheels spin with intent, from 16-inch alloy on LE to 19-inch beasts on XSE. Raise the roof, literally, with an available power moonroof, or stretch the sky with an available panoramic glass roof on higher trims. New dark Cosmos paint shifts in the light like a secret ready to be revealed. SE and XSE sharpen the edge. A bold sport mesh grille built to stand out from the pack. Air curtains and side canards, functional race-inspired details that hint at Camry's sporty side. Rear spoilers that don't just sit there. They finish the look. Dual chrome-finished exhaust tips, a subtle nod to Camry's smooth, energizing drive. Nightshade takes stealth to the next level. Midnight black metallic all over. Grills, mirrors, spoilers, pure shadow in motion. Satin black 19-inch alloys that demand attention without shouting. Step inside, where comfort meets command. Dual zone climate control sets the scene. Available 12.3-inch digital cluster and 10-inch head-up display keeps vital info locked in sight. No distractions. Energy flows easy with a standard Qi-compatible wireless charger and 5 USB ports. Available heated and ventilated seats bring a personal touch to every drive. Fold down the 60/40 rear seats and make space for whatever comes next. Aluminum sport pedals on SE, Nightshade, and XSE. A subtle reminder that this isn't just a car, it's a machine. Under the hood, power meets precision. The 2.5-liter Toyota hybrid system delivers. 225 net combined horsepower with front-wheel drive. Smooth, strong. 232 net combined horsepower with available all-wheel drive. Ready for anything. With up to an EPA estimated 51 mile per gallon combined rating, efficiency and style roll together. Every corner, a challenge accepted, thanks to the standard Sport Tune suspension on SE, Nightshade, and XSE. A soundstage that keeps pace with every mile. The Toyota Audio Multimedia System comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, with an available 12.3-inch display for even more command at a glance. Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhones, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. An available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system turns every playlist into an anthem, delivering crisp, concert-like sound on the road. Plus, a 3-month SiriusXM trial opens up more than 165 channels in cabin and even more on the SiriusXM app, including ad-free music, sports, comedy, and more, because the aux cord's taken a break. Connected service trials round out the experience, helping keep every journey connected. Advanced features for added confidence. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Proactive, protective. Every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert keeps corners covered. Available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking adds confidence to tight spots. Available panoramic view monitor, available front cross-traffic alert, and available lane change assist. Engineered to bring assurance to the drive. The 2026 Camry doesn't just drive, it owns every mile with style, power, and intelligence. Built for those who demand more than the ordinary. Every new Camry comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, alongside 2 years of unlimited mileage, 24-hour roadside assistance. Camry's hybrid warranties also go the distance, with an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. The road waits for no one. This is Camry. More details at Toyota.com.